going YouTube? My name's Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today we've got an interesting video for you guys. You know the type of mud that you should never step in with a nice pair of sneakers? The red mud that you would never even get close to with a white pair of sneakers? So I got a text from my buddy Harrison. I'm sure you guys know him. And he sent us a text and said, look at my shoes. And I honestly thought he did it on purpose. Like, how would you, the shoe was completely covered in mud. And it was like, there's no way he did this. Did he lose a bet? Did he, I mean, how? It was so funny when he sent it. He ended up posting it on Instagram. I'm sure you guys saw it. But this is the pair of shoes right here. And he gave them to me, tasked me with trying to bring them back to life. And I don't know. I'm pretty good at cleaning shoes. I think I'm pretty good at it. Not that it requires any type of skill, but I think I'm pretty good at it. And I don't know about these though. So I'm gonna try to clean them. Not only did he get them completely covered in mud, these have been sitting in my room now for probably 3 weeks. So this mud is on there deep. It's deep. The mud is deep. You can see this left one obviously is a lot worse than the right shoe. Here is the right one. I'll give you guys some up close looks, but I don't know. I'm gonna try. I've got an assortment of tools on the desk to use. I will be using Pure Sneaker Cleaner. They sent me out some product to try out and I actually really like it. And so I'm gonna be using that today. I've used it on some simple cleaning, you know, just some maintenance. I've used it on some maintenance, but nothing this crazy. So we're gonna be trying out Pure today on this. There is a link down in the description with a discount code. So if you guys want to try out some Pure as well, check that link down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the table completely set up, guys. We're gonna put towels down and everything. I've got 2 cups here for the solution, and then I've got one like big like rinse for the brushes to clean them out before I put them back in the soap, because you don't want to be dirtying up your soap water. So let's go ahead and get this set up and then we'll start the cleaning. Okay, now that I've got the table completely set up, which I've never set this up like this and I really like it. We've got a towel laid down to protect the desk, and I've got the insoles taken out, shoe trees put in. We've got some water over here, which I decided what I'm gonna do is go ahead, put the solution in here and put some in here. Take the laces and just go ahead and submerge them, let them soak to try and get out the mud. This mud, guys, I don't know how it's gonna react, but I know it stains very, very hard. So we'll see what we can do. We've got the insoles out. If you want to check out Harrison's toes, there you go. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cleaning. I've got the brush here. And so what I'm gonna do is use this as a rinse bucket, basically, to help try and remove the dirt from the bristles before I put it back in the solution. But here goes nothing. Harrison, I don't know. These are cooked. Harrison, cook these. We're gonna go into a time lapse, guys, here in just a second once I get this going a little bit more. But another thing I wanted to mention as we get started is each month I do a sneaker giveaway. This month's giveaway is on the Dark Sulfur Tom Sachs that just recently released and are going to be releasing again. But I'm giving away a pair in your size. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. Super simple, and I give away a different pair every single month. But I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'm gonna switch brushes maybe and try to get this solution worked in a little bit deeper. So let's go ahead and hop into a time lapse. Okay, so we have reached a stopping point in the video. This shoe right here is looking pretty good pre-wash. I am going to wash these in the washing machine. Now, as you see on the table, there is a ton of mud, and this shoe is still very much brown. So I thought, my arm is about to fall off. What else could I do to try and clean these a little bit more? And I remembered that I have a drill with some attachments. So I bought this a while back. This is typically used for like auto care and things. But today we're going to put it to the test, and shout out to Pure. And this might work to it. This might be amazing, because this can do a lot more than what my arm can do. So, Harrison, I'm doing my best. We've brought out the power tools. I'm gonna go ahead and give these one more treatment all the way over with this brush. Then we're gonna pop them in the washing machine, wait about 24 to 48 hours to let these air dry. So always, guys, a little pro tip, wash your shoes on cold settings only, and then let them air dry. Don't let them dry in the sun or anything like that. So just let them air dry in your house, and we will check back with you in the next 24 to 48 hours. What's up, guys? Just pulled up to Harrison's warehouse to give him back his shoes. Hopefully he thinks I did a good job. Let's head inside and give them to him. Made it to the warehouse. Harrison's got his shoes to open.
Too long. My shoes, I forgot I own these. Oh, we got matching hats today.
Yeah, matching hats. 95.
Sweeping the Mets tonight.
New World Series.
2021. All right, so
explain real quick how you got these muddy.
So I was in Nashville looking at some houses, and it was a construction site, and I was trying to step over something. There's a picture of it. Maybe you can put it up as a picture. Tried to step over, and I went straight into mud. Probably about 6 inches to 8 inches down, and it destroyed the shoes. So they ended up drying because I walked through the house with them on. So I brought them back and I said, somebody needs to fix these, whoever it may be. And I said, Blake, do you want to be the man for the job? And I said, sure.
And I let him sit in my apartment for like 3 weeks. So
yeah, I forgot about it. And then he's like, oh no, we're doing it. And I was like, you gotta do a video out of it. So these were absolutely destroyed last time I saw them. I thought that they were a point of no return, at the point where I was like, I should just dump the other one in mud and make them like a mocha colorway, because it
just dye them.
Yeah, and people commented, I posted about it, like he did it for clout. Like I literally I'm not gonna destroy one of my favorite shoes for clout. There's like no point to that. Yeah. So
hopefully you're happily surprised.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's open these up. Surprised in the fact that you're gonna just reverse smoke of the other ones, so I have 2 brown pairs. All right. Here we go. Here we go. I can't even tell which shoe it was.
Hey.
Nice. So it's definitely the left one. This is like miles better than it was before. Like honestly I couldn't even wear them, and now you can't even tell. I just have to dirty these up, make them just. That's great.
Yeah, I think once you kind of wear them again, you won't really be able to tell as much.
This is an impossible task too. Like that was Nashville clay that was baked in there. It was sat on there for a month. So it's like the fact you even got it this far. Shout out Blake. Thanks for making that happen.
For
My
sure.
favorite shoes. I'm gonna run these into the ground even more. I didn't want to run them in the ground that much, but this is, now we can wear them.
They look pretty solid.
Yep. Thank you, Blake.
Cool.
Appreciate it. Let's go.
Let's go. And that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like down below. If you want to see something else like this, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you guys. And with that, we're on to the next sneaker.